na-develop ang kanilang stamina, more on physical, and then upper portion and lower portion lumakas. And then nakakandak nila ng maayos itong ating obstacle.
Dito natin matetest na dapat ang isang Philippine member ng Philippine Air Force ay marunong bumaril sa kanilang target at dahil nila yung kanilang mga target.
So dito sa obstacle course, lalo namin silang pinapalakas sa kanilang katawan at sa kanilang mental toughness.
We are here at practical exercises ng firing. So, ibinibigay namin lahat ng aming mga makakaya upang matutunan nila yung pagputok ng accurate na magamit nila balang araw.
Last event ng 50 is the 3.2. So ito yung ano nila sa 50. Bale, 3 ikot dito sa ating perimeter. Medyo nag-improve naman na sila when it comes to their physical fitness and also sa kanilang military career. So, sabi nga, malapit na silang matapos. Well, ang purpose ng ating physical fitness ng ating mga estudyante is to test the level of their fitness para matest namin kung nasa anong stage na ba sila sa kanilang lakas pagdating sa military trainings nila.
Para sa akin, yung mga estudyante ngayon, malalakas sila, may disiplina sa sarili, and hopefully madala nila to paglabas nila ng training.
The marksmanship training of these airmen and airwomen enables them to accurately and confidently engage enemies and eventually reducing the risk of civilian casualties and friendly fire. This training improves their mental discipline, focus, and concentration, which can benefit them in other areas of their training.